Greetings, saints of the Most High God. So today I'm here with my top 10 of Christian music, my top 10 Christian songs. On number one, I have Spirit Pray by Pastor Elijah or Elade. On number two, I have God is Helping Us by Minister GUC. On number three, I have Ndino Shuwira by Minister Tekshua Zama. On number four, I have Out of My Belly by Psalmist Prosper Ochimana. Then on number five, I have Siakutanda by Bishop Benjamin Duve. On number six, I have Shepherd of My Soul by Eben. On number seven, I have Miracle Rain by Frank Edwards. On number eight, Living Waters by Mama Hlengiwe. On number nine, I have Fear is a Liar by Zach Williams. Then on number 10, last but not least, I have It's a Time. I have My Declaration by Minister Michael Mayendere and also Revivalist Cry by Blessing Jeduthan. One thing that I love about gospel music blesses my soul. Gospel music is my life. I don't just sing gospel music, but I live to worship God. And my encouragement to all worshippers, on my list, I believe these are all yielded gospel ministers. But my encouragement, guys, is for us to do it to worship God like Abraham did. You know, in Genesis 22, when Abraham was about to sacrifice his only son Isaac, he said, I'm going to worship God. So a sacrifice, giving his only son to the Lord, he took it as worship. I don't know whatever it is that you do when you're off the stage as a worshiper, but let us live for the Lord. Let us sacrifice in the Lord. Let us live yielded lives to the Spirit of the Most High God. God bless you. God bless you. Stay blessed.